working to get the train ready. This is the sleeping car. You can see right there. And there's people moving around in the top layer I saw. Like people getting the rooms ready. It is quite a production. And we just happen to be here pretty early. And because it's warm out, you can actually stick your hand out the window and you can sit in the parking area if you want. Whatever works. The sky is beautiful.
It used to start loading at 12 o'clock and the last check-in was at 2:30. Now it says departing vehicles check-in begins at 12:30. The latest check-in is at 3 o'clock. We are here right now. It is about 12:15 and we're in line to get into the train. So we'll see how this goes, different from when we came down in Virginia. They're adding this door because this is going to be the final car where the people will be before they add the train cars that carry our automobiles back home to Virginia. So the area here is monitored under closed circuit TV. Amtrak police are apparently watching us.
Stop at booth.
Stop at booth.
We got through the booth. Our number is 77. And there's a building over there, number 7. This looks kind of similar to Virginia.
There's our car, number 77. Yeah, that's fine. Bottom. Here's what it looks like outside the station down here in Sanford. So the last time we were way down at the end, but this time we're in car 5241, which is right here. I don't know if it'll be that way when we get to Lorton or not, but we're in car 5241 and it's right here. How about that? That's pretty neat. So they have a little gift shop here. A lot of train stuff. Just snacks, sandwiches, pre-made sandwiches, drinks. Just a small little shop. Yeah. Books, magazines. Looks like kids' shirts. Little bags. Neck pillow. Interesting. They have food trucks out here. Ready to come out and grab something. Got what they got on the food truck. Oh, that's the trolley that'll take you to Sanford. Sandwiches, dinners. It's like breakfast stuff. Bacon, egg, and cheese. Desserts. How about that? I'm gonna see if I can get some silverware. Hopefully he has some plasticware. And maybe I'll grab a sandwich. Who knows? Are you having fun?
It's nice to veg a little.
And still be in Florida.
It's cool in here. Weird outside.
Yeah. It's probably about 80 degrees or so outside. But just being able to sit here and look at these palm trees and know I don't have to drive all the way home is fantastic. This is what the station looks like in here. It's starting to fill up a little bit. Vehicle pickup is where we dropped our vehicle off. And then the train is behind me. So it's just about time for us to board. Thought I'd come outside and get a little shot there that still have the cars are still all in there. I guess at this point we're finishing loading everything up. This is the shuttle bus. While you're here, the shuttle bus will take you down to Sanford. Or you can do some shopping and stuff like that. I'm not keen on running away. Once I'm here, I'm here. But they say they'll bring you back in time to get on the train. So if you're ever taking a train and you have the guts to do it, go for it. I don't want to miss the train. So based off our previous experience, we chose room A again because it's at the end of the hallway and it doesn't have an adjoining room. And we came in, and my biggest fear, as everybody knows if you saw our other video, was not having a chair.
And it looks like there
And
isn't
it
one.
looks like there's no chair. But, ta-da! We have a chair. How about that? We have a chair.
And we said we weren't going to bring as many things.
Yeah, and we said we weren't going to bring as many things, but as you can see, we filled the seat. I don't know where we're going to sit.
We're bringing things from Florida to home, so we needed it to stay a room temperature.
Right.
So that's why we had to bring it.
We have a lot of stuff that is temperature sensitive. So we brought it all with us. So anyway, this is the start of our journey from Sanford to Lorton. See ya.
See ya.
I think I'm gonna put my coat in the closet.
Oh, where's your closet?
We have a closet right here.
And it says closet.
And it says closet, and you open it up and ta-da!
Ta-da.
There's even hangers in there.
They're all ready for you.
So I'm gonna put my coat, hanger, in the closet.
How about that?
We have to have a winter coat because when we get home in Virginia, it's gonna be cold.
We're going somewhere.
Coat. So that'll take up a little less space because it's in there. How about that? So we were just in there and they are cleaning that floor already. Getting ready for tomorrow morning.
Were we just sitting to the right?
We were sitting to the right over there. We came out that door right there. And our room is right here. So, pretty nice. Oh look, there's a sign that says Tuesday, December 5th, 3:43 p.m. Then we're in our car and we're getting situated. I'm gonna try to put this chair down because I want to try this chair.
It's important.
It is.
Watch your head, too.
Down there. getting this?
I think so.
You getting
As
this?
much as I can. Wow, look at that.
A chair!
It's an
This
accomplishment.
is what it feels like to have a chair in your room on the train.
Wow.
Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting.
Sit back and enjoy the ride.
So here's a shot of the bathroom. Good. It's got towels up there. Got a shower actually. It's like similar to an RV. Again, you got a shower right in the same spot as your toilet, which is kind of weird. But shower curtain full across. Light on, door. Toilet paper has a plastic cover over it. There's your water control, hot and cold. I probably won't be showering in here, but that's okay. We showered this morning before we left. Shower when we get home tomorrow night. So anyway, that's the bathroom. And it is tight. If I remember, it's 23 inches this way and 3 feet this way and 6'4" from floor to ceiling. But there it is. And there's also a coat hanger in case you want to hang your coat up while you're taking a shower. So there are coat hangers all over the place in here, which is kind of interesting. There's one on the back of the door too. So there's lots of coat hangers. Again, you can see when we first got in, you didn't think there'd be any room for us. But we actually put quite a bit of stuff into the closet. So the closet is a little bigger than you think. We have a couple of bags of water and Charlotte's coat and my coat in there.
Camera bag on top.
Camera bag sitting on top.
Food bag.
There's a food bag there with goodies. There's a bag over there next to Charlotte.
You can only guess what's in it. Tissues, the cooler's right there, food in it.
Cooler's there. My overnight bag fits perfectly underneath the seat. And there's actually a bunch of room underneath the seat that Charlotte's sitting on. And we put her overnight bag under there. And there's actually space underneath this seat as well, right here, that we could put stuff under there too if we need it. So you actually have a lot of room in here once you start organizing. And our shelf back up here, we've got a bag up there, and those are our blankets. And then there's another bag, cooler bag in the back.
Another hanger.
There's another hanger around the corner, and ta-da! A chair. We have a chair. Anyway, if you haven't seen our other video, go back and watch our other video on the auto train, and you'll understand why we're so excited to have a chair. Shut off.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I may have your attention, please. In just a few moments, the final couple will be made for the preparation for the departure of today's train number 52. At this time, we kindly ask that you please be seated and remain seated until power has been restored for your safety and ours. Thank you.
So as I was mentioning before, he said something. As our friends, the Traveling Lovebirds, said on their video, which if you've never watched the Traveling Lovebirds video, go watch it. They're a fantastic couple, Leo and Marie. But they were on the train, and the power went out before they started moving. And apparently it's so they can hook up the last train car. So that's what's going on now. So the power's off. For them, it was really kind of hot outside, and it got hot in the train. But it's not too bad out today. The sun's it's kind of overcast skies a little bit, so we should be fine. And it shouldn't take them too long, and the power should come back on. So here we go. So underneath the sink, this is the sink here. You see our cords stretching across there. That's lovely. Underneath the sink here, you have a trash can in the middle, and you have two other sides. So if you open this up, under here you have
Extra tissues.
Some soaps, some more towels. There's more towels down there. And then on this side over here, You have your extra teepee and some cups and some shampoo in case if you need it.
Lotion. Oh, conditioner.
Conditioner.
Thought there's one other little thing that is here.
And
body wash.
Body wash. And the power has just come back on. We were without power for approximately 11 minutes. So that's not too bad. Without power for 11 minutes. So the power's back on now. And I would imagine we're going to be getting out of here pretty quick. And it's 4:25 right now. So we just started moving. 4:41 p.m. You can see Charlotte's reflection in the window. Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Bye, Florida. Bye, Sanford. So again, that's where we were earlier today. And here we go. We are on our way. We're supposed to leave at 5 o'clock and we're leaving about 19 minutes early, I think it was. 4:41. It'll be 19 minutes early. So here we go. Our dinner reservations are for 6 o'clock. And that's where the train was, back over there where the cars were. And moving along. It sure takes a while to get this thing moving.
What is it?
Said it sure takes a while to get this thing moving. It's a lot of weight, I'm sure. So we're moving pretty good now. Took a little bit to get going, but moving pretty good now. Sun's still pretty high in the sky, that's great. So we should have some daylight for a while. If we were at home, it's 5 o'clock, it'd probably be dark already. So this is very nice. How about that? We're boogieing right along here. I sort of remember this stuff from the last train.
Arriving.
Yeah.
Square rainbows.
Uh-huh.
It's up in the right. Quite sure if we'll get it. There's a guy riding a horse. Oh, he's got a tiny little one on that horse.
I might have got a
Can you
picture of
see
it.
it?
I might have got a picture of it.
Ferns are growing under those tents, and unfortunately I didn't get video of them. But this must be the DeLand area. conductor was telling us about. And under those black tents are ferns that we get all over to plant. Interesting. Sorry about the glare. Okay, there's some more of these black tents that the conductor told us has ferns underneath. So when we get ferns anywhere, those are what they're coming from.
So we got called to go down for dinner. So we're heading down for dinner. 6 o'clock. And as you can see, we're holding our own on this, walking in this train hallway. I think they told us the dining car is just like the next car over.
All right. So what do we do?
Here pretty quick. So you push the button, and then the door opens, and then you gotta go to the next one and hit the button. And you gotta look at this little, it's like a wiggle here. Go through. And this is the lounge car. We gotta keep going until we get to the dining car. So this is so you can come down here and just sit and relax, lounge in the lounge car. This is for us, only people in the. Hi. We're heading down today. How you doing, sir? Good. Down to the dining car. Just down this way. So this is the dining car. So again, you got a little bit of a wiggle going on. Come in and I see you at wherever they are.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This message for the sleeping car passengers and sleeping car passengers only. This is going to be the second call for the 6 p.m. dinner seating. If you have that ticket marked 1 and you would like to have dinner with us, please make your way to the sleeper diner at this time.
I got the steak dinner and Charlotte got the salmon dinner, and they were both delicious.
This is Jacksonville. And you could see the buildings that we see on 95, but now I think they're too far away.
Here I go. I'm videoing it. Charlotte's a pro at going between the train now.
Dessert and all.
Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, this is our car.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, car 41. This is our car.
So all of a sudden.
Yeah, well, when you get in here and the door closes, it's really quiet. So we're down here on the end. We may. At least I hope this is our room, because Charlotte's going in it.
Okay. Yeah.
So the way it's set up this morning is give you a hot breakfast sandwich, some cereal, milk. I could have had an actual breakfast where you sit down, they bring you breakfast, but I didn't feel like doing that this morning.
Out of the way. Oh, you're recording. Good. You should be going up on action a little while too. This
beautiful houses.
Yeah. Both sides even.
Oh, yeah.
The real can is gonna be
So we're gonna go down the stairs again here. I was just talking to Joe, our attendant, and he told me where the bathrooms were down here. So there's restrooms down here. Just want to see the difference between this restroom and our restroom. So you got sink, toilet. He said there's a shower down here too. Oh, that's a room. That's the family room there. Family room. So there's a restroom here. And this is. Oh, okay. Faces a little different way. But you get the gist of it. How are you, everybody? So they got smell spray in there for you. They said there was a shower. Oh, this one's a shower. Dressing room and shower. Dressing room and shower. Oh, look at that. Hey, that's a pretty big shower. That's not bad. Yeah, that's like a full-size shower there. That's actually pretty nice. I wouldn't mind taking a shower down here, actually. But, there you have it. Changing room and shower. Not bad. I guess those over there are probably roomettes. And then another family room on the other end there. How about that? Pretty neat. That's the door we came in. Shot of the steps again. It's hard to see. See if I can zoom out a little bit here. See these steps. These steps are really narrow, but they serve a purpose. I'm getting up to where you need to be. It's not bad. Nice handrails and stuff for you to hold on to. And then here we have shot out the window. That's what we're passing by right now. Not a whole lot of anything, but nice.
Is that it?
That's Fredericksburg, right here, right here. That's where Bob lives.
Up that street?
Up that street's where our friend Bob lives.
Oh, we let butterflies go there. Yay!
Oh, there goes another train. That is Fredericksburg, Virginia. How about that? How about that?
There's the river.
We see this all the time.
We had a drought there this summer, so it's low.
How about that? Fredericksburg, Virginia. They said. So I just said to myself, and I said it out loud, that I don't mind driving to Florida. I in fact enjoy it. But taking the train is definitely the way to come home.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the right-hand side of the train, you'll be able to see that beautiful body of water that's Potomac River. That's indication we're coming up on Quantico, Virginia, over the Quantico Marine Corps Base and NBI training facility. We're going to pass right through the center of the base. Once we pass through there, it's approximately 25 minutes to our final destination. At this time, all lounge and dining cars are closed. We ask that you please return to your seats and accommodations. Check around for any personal items that you bring on board with you.
There's something about looking out the window of the train and seeing water. It's just, I don't know what it is. Something about it. Very interesting to me. What do you think in the comments? Would you rather see water out the train or fancy Victorian houses? Interesting thought. I don't know what marina this is, but look at that.
Station. Once you reach the station, there'll be two brief stops. One will be the detached auto carriers from the rear of the train. The other one will position us on the platform in the correct position. And once on the platform, we do begin by D-train all special needs guests first. During that time, please keep the hallway clear as well as the downstairs exit area clear. Having those two sections clear makes this process go a little bit faster. Now, once the platform is prepped and ready to proceed, we will make a general D-train announcement inviting you to exit the train. During that time, please use care. There is a small gap between the train and the platform, so please mind the gap. Parents, this announcement is for you. Please hold your children's hands as they're exiting the train. We do want to make sure everybody makes it inside the ticket office safely this morning. Now, once inside the ticket office, you can hear your automobile number called out over the public address system. It usually takes about 20 minutes for the first car to come off, and up to an hour and a half for the last car to come off. We do have a light load today, so I'm sure everybody will be off before then. We did have a great run throughout the evening. We're going to be pulling into the station ahead of schedule. Now, if you are staying within the immediate area, it looks like we have a high of 45 today. You are no longer in Florida, so if you do have a jacket, you might want to put that on to dress appropriately as you are hitting the platform. On behalf of myself, Auto Train Crew Number 1, our conductors and engineers, thank you for choosing the Auto Train as your means of transportation. We do hope that we have the pleasure of serving you again in the future. We'd like to wish everybody a happy holiday season as you are traveling on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Lorton Virginia area.
Lorton Road.
Rolling into the station here. You can see out here. There's the auto train sign. I guess maybe that's a worker going up the road there. That's all blurry. Rolling into the auto train station in Lorton, Virginia. So that's Route 95 up there. That's Lorton Road coming in. And that's the access road to where you pull up into the Lorton station. More creepy crawling along here because it takes them a long time to stop this thing. So we've been slowing down for probably the last 10 minutes or so, maybe 15. They're telling you to secure your valuables. Form 2 lines. Cars check in at noon. Auto train line. There's the station out the window. And we're pulling into the station now. Look at that.
Palm trees.
Yeah, palm trees. Not the kind I want to see. But
The green growing ones.
feels okay to be home, I suppose.
Yeah.
There's a little play area for the kids. I didn't know they had that here.
Burning bushes are still
Burning bushes are still burning.
red.
Here is, again, this is the, that's the lobby area. We'll be waiting in to get our car. And this is, it seems like they shut the power off.
Like the did when we
Yeah, like they did when before we headed out. And they're just kind of coasting to a stop here. It's kind of interesting. There's where the cars are going to come off, the ramps. Where the cars are going to come off. How about that? And we're stopped. Interesting. Okay, so we're just trying to wrap up this video.
We're in Lorton, Virginia, and we made it.
We did. And
It's in the morning.
it's about 9:30, and I want to show real quick. That's 95 up there, the Highway 95. You can see it's winterized, no palm trees. They did have fake palm trees on the way in, but no real palm trees. Those tracks there are the ones that they're going to bring the train cars in that have our cars inside them in, and then they're going to take them off back there a little ways. So that's the train station there at Lorton.
And currently it is flurrying in Pennsylvania.
Yes, where we have to drive to. But we did have a good trip. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can get more great content like this. And we hope, as we've said before, that you enjoy your trip should you choose to take the auto train. Thanks everybody. Bye.
See ya. That's where we were. Our car, and we were on that train from Florida to Virginia.
I must tell you, the people that work for Amtrak are all great people. From the lady who gave us our tickets to get on the train, to Brian, who serves up food and drinks in the lounge car as you travel, to Joe, who was our attendant on the sleeper car section of the train for our trip. The food is great too, from the salmon to the steak to the chocolate cake, and let's not forget the blueberry cheesecake, all delicious. I was also able to get a t-shirt this time. As you can see, we made it to Lorton, Virginia. Thanks for joining us on our auto train adventure.